Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sort a list in ascending order and descending order using Java 8 Lambda expressions. Alright, if you are new to the Lambda expression, then visit my previous video tutorials where I explain you all about Lambda expressions with an examples. Alright, so first we'll start with the very basics. We'll see how to sort a list of integers in ascending order and descending order. And then we'll see how to sort an employee object by their salary in ascending order and descending order using anonymous implementation of comparator. And next we'll see how to sort a list of employee object by their name in ascending order and descending order using anonymous implementation of comparator. So we'll see first anonymous implementation of comparator interface, then we'll replace anonymous implementation by lambda expression. Okay, we will see how to sort employee object by salary in ascending order and descending order using Java 8 Lambda expressions. Okay, and we also see how to sort a list of employee object by name in ascending order and descending order using lambda expression. Alright, we're gonna create all the examples to demonstrate these use cases. Okay, let's start with the very basic, how to sort a list of integers in ascending order and descending order. Let me switch to the Eclipse IDE and let us start developing these examples. So here in Eclipse IDE I have created a class. I have named it as a sort list, and here is a main method. Inside main method we are going to write the logic. So first we create a list. Okay, we are going to create a list of integer, and we are going to use ArrayList implementation of list interface. And let's go ahead and let's add a few elements to the list. Here I am going to add 10. I am just going to copy this, and let's add a few more elements to the list. Let's add 30, 20, 50 and 40. So first we will see how to sort a list in a traditional way. Let us see how to sort a list using traditional way, and then we will move to the how to sort a list in ascending order and descending order using Java 8 Lambda expression. Okay, so probably you know this class, right? Collections util class. It provides a sort API, and we can use this API to sort a list in ascending and descending order. So here we need to just pass a list to the sort method, and this will by default sort in ascending order. Okay, great. Now let's put a sys out and let's print a list to the console. And here if I run the program, look at here the output. The list is sorted in ascending order: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, now let us see how to sort a list in descending order. So collections utility class provides a API called a reverse, so we can use a reverse API or method to sort a list in descending order. So this will sort a list in descending order. Okay, great. Now let's put a sys out to print a list to the console. Here I am going to run the program. Here look at here the output: 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So this is how we sort a list in descending order. So this is very simple. Here just we are sorting a primitive types, that is integer. Now let us say how to sort a custom objects. Alright, let's create a employee class, and we are going to sort employees by their salary. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's create a class, and let's name it as employee, and let's go ahead and let's create a few fields: private int id, private string name, private int age, and private here just provide a salary, long salary. Okay, let's go ahead and let's create a getter setter methods to access these private fields, and also create a parameterized constructor. It's a pretty simple employee class with these fields. And now let's comment out first, and let's create a list of employee objects, list of employee, and here we are going to use ArrayList implementation of list interface, and let's go and let's add employees to the Here we have an employee list, and we have 4 elements in an employee list. We have 4 employee in an employee list. Alright, now let us see how to sort employees by their salary. Okay, so probably you know the comparator interface, right? So in order to sort custom objects by their fields, for example, in our case we have an employee, and if you want to sort an employee by their salary or name or ID or age, we have to implement a comparator interface, and we need to provide our own logic to sort a custom object. For example, we are going to create here a class which implements comparator interface, and here we need to provide a type that is employee, and comparator interface provides a compare method, and here we need to write the logic. O1 dot, we are going to sort employees by their salary, so let's go ahead and let's call a get salary, and here is O2 dot get salary, and salary is a type long, so here we are going to provide a cost. Great. Now what we'll do, we'll again call the collections utility class, and here we are going to use again a sort method. So look at here, sort method is overloaded here, so there are 2 overloaded sort methods, and we are going to use this one list, and with second parameter is comparator. We are going to pass a comparator. Okay, let's pass employees as a post parameter, and second parameter we are going to pass a comparator interface implementation. Now this will sort employees in ascending order. Now let us print employees to the console. For that, first we need to create a toString method inside an employee class. Right click, source, and generate toString, select all and generate, and here we just provide a sysout, and let's print this, and let's run the program, and here you can see the output. So here we have sorted employees in ascending order by salary. First comes 3,50,000, then 4 lakh, and then 4,50,000, and then 5 lakhs. Alright, this is how we sort employees by their salary in ascending order. So in order to sort employees by their salary in descending order, what we are going to use, we are going to swap the reference here, O2 dot get salary minus 1 dot get salary. So this will sort employees by their salary in descending order. So in order to test this, just call the again a sort method, and here just pass a list that is employees, and just use the my sort. So this will now print employees in descending order. So look at here, just comment out this, five lakhs, 4,50,000, 4 lakh, and 3,50,000. So this is how we sort employees in descending order. It's pretty simple, right? So we need to just swap the reference here. Okay, great. So this is how the traditional way we sort a list in ascending and descending order. Let's go ahead and let's use a lambda expression to sort a list in ascending and descending order. So as we know that comparator interface is a functional interface, and we can use a lambda expression to implement a comparator interface. So let's go ahead and let's use a lambda expression to implement a comparator interface, and we'll sort a list in ascending order and descending order. For that, I am going to just remove this code, and what we'll do, we just again call the Collections.sort method here, and we pass employees. First we'll see the anonymous implementation of comparator interface. So here we pass the employee type, and here we need to provide implementation for compare method, and just pass this logic. So this will sort employees in ascending order. Let's put a sys out and let's run the program and let's see the output. So look at here, the employee with 3,50,000 come first, and employee with 4,50,000 and 5 lakh. Alright, so what we have done, we have provided anonymous implementation of comparator interface. This will sort in ascending order, right? Ascending order. Now in order to sort a list in descending order, what we have to do is we have to just swap the reference. Let's run the program, and here you can see the employee with 5 lakh salary comes first, and then 4,50,000, 4 lakh and 3,50,000. So this is how we sort a list in ascending order and descending order using anonymous implementation of comparator interface. Now we have anonymous implementation. We can replace this implementation with a lambda expression. So how to do that? It's pretty simple. Collections.sort, and here what we need to do is we need to pass a first parameter as employees and second parameter as lambda expression. It's pretty simple to convert anonymous class implementation with lambda expression. So what we have to do is just copy this here and let's construct lambda expression. So let's remove this method name because lambda expressions don't have name, and here we also remove the type here. Okay, and we also remove return, and here we need to provide a lambda expression syntax like this, arrow. Okay, and this is the single statement. We can remove curly braces and open braces and curly braces. So this is the lambda expression. Let's copy this and paste here. Alright, pretty simple, right? So I hope you understood how to construct a lambda expression. Let me explain one more time. So copy this method here outside and remove this name because lambda expressions don't have name, and this is the single statement, so we can also remove a return and this curly braces and open braces, and here we need to provide an arrow like this, and we also remove a type here. That's it. It's pretty simple, right? So this is how we construct a lambda expression from the anonymous implementation, and you can just copy this and here you can just paste here. Alright, pretty simple. Now this will sort a list in descending order because we have swapped our references, right? So let me swap the reference and let us sort a list in ascending order first. Let's run the program and look at here, the employee with salary 3,50,000 comes first, and then like this. Okay, now in order to sort a list in descending order, we need to just swap the reference here. So this will sort a list in descending order. Let's run the program and let's see the output. Yeah, here we go. The employee with salary 5 lakh comes first and then in descending. Pretty simple, right? So this is how we sort a list in ascending order and descending order using lambda expression. Now let us see how to sort an employee by their name. So here we just need to replace a get salary method with get name here, and string provides a compare to method. We are going to use compare to method here and just call o1 dot get name. Alright, pretty simple. Now let's go ahead and let's convert this method with a lambda expression. So lambda expression don't have name, so let's remove this and this is, let's provide an arrow mark here. This is the lambda expression syntax, and this is a single statement, so we can remove open braces and curly braces like this. Okay, and we also remove return integer, and we also remove the type here. And this is the lambda expression. Let's copy this, and here we need to just replace a second parameter of sort method like this. It's pretty simple, right? I hope you understood how to convert anonymous implementation with the lambda expression. So this will sort employee by their name in ascending order. Let's run the program. So look at here, Ramesh comes first, and then Santosh, and then Sanjay, and then Pramod. Sorry, here we need to provide O2, right? Yeah, so again run the program and let us see the output. Pramod comes first, and then Ramesh, and then Santosh, and then Sanjay, and then Santosh. Okay, let's sort employee by descending order. So we need to swap the reference like this, O2 and O1. So this will sort employee by their name in descending order. Let's run the program. So look at here, Santosh comes first, and then Sanjay, and then Ramesh, and then Pramod. So this is how we sort employee by their name in ascending order and descending order using lambda expression. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show you how to sort a list in ascending order and descending order using stream API. Alright, I will see you in the next video.